Some people can write, it's a matter of opinion, but I will not condemn. Tuhin Sinha.
Well, Pradesh, there are two aspects to the issue over here. Number one is Pakistan, on the one hand, is absolutely unapologetic about its terror-spewing propensity and identity. So, you know, what Khwaja Asif has said yesterday, he has basically revealed to the world what the world always knew. But again, you know, that is the partial truth. On the one hand, he has admitted that Pakistan is a mercenary, you know, it does not have an original identity of its own, that it has been an agent, it has been a puppet at the hands of the Western world. But I think that is also the half-truth, because after losing the 1965 war, after the 1970, losing the 1971 war, proxy war with India was always the state policy of Pakistan, which only got exacerbated from mid-80s, from the time of Zia-ul Haq. But on the other hand, you have Indians and you have people across the world, basically those afflicted with the malaise of wokeism, who want to be apologists for Pakistan, who want to be apologists for this terror and rogue country which is unleashing, you know, destruction across, which has unleashed massive destruction in India and is a threat to the world. So, you know, why only the foreign newspapers? The Hindu over here has a headline which makes it appear that it is, you know, talking on behalf of Pakistan. You have politicians over here. Supriya Sule, mind you, was the first person to use the word a gunning episode. You have Ram Gopal Yadav, who blames BJP for vitiating the atmosphere. You have Robert Vadra, who is saying that Hindutva is responsible for it. And you have a JMM politician, Supriyo Bhattacharjee. You know, unfortunately, the national media may have missed out his very irresponsible and very misadventurous remark. He is asking कि ये attack जो है वो संयोग है या प्रयोग. Can you imagine this kind of mentality? This is obviously to give Pakistan, to give terrorists a long, you know, a long rope to undermine the brutality, the ferocity of their crime. And I think that is the wokeism malaise which is responsible for this kind of an attitude, not just among Indians, but probably, you know, people across the world.
You know, Tuhin, this is more than just woke. You're being rather, you know, charitable on these people. But Dr. Hussain Thibu, sir, Pakistan has admitted that, yes, we've been in the business of promoting terror. Your defense minister has said that, sir.
Thank you very much. First of all, you have given me time, but I'm sure you will give me also sufficient time, as you have given your other members to talk about
Dr.
the
Hussain,
subject.
ये promise मैं नहीं कर सकता, sir. ये depend करता है आप क्या बोलेंगे.
Be gentlemen, be gentlemen. You have given a good intro about Pakistan, about the Pakistan activities, but you have forgotten the failure of your security, failure of your army in Kashmir. How incident happened? You know, there are 8 lakh deployment in a simple calculated area. Are you not thinking it's your complete security failure? And few days ago, this area was also indicated as a security threat for Narendra Modi. Then why you have called the tourist area? In your intro, I have forgotten to see about the terror activity of RSS Adelaji. You have forgotten the name of RSS.
मैं अभी सारे नाम आपको बताऊंगा. डॉक्टर हुसैन देखिए, आपके वहां शायद पावर कट हो रहा है. 4 बार लाइट गई है, आई है, फ्लिकर कर रहा है. सर पहले तो आप वो ठीक कर लीजिए. आरएसएस और नरेंद्र मोदी के बारे में बाद में बोलिएगा. एंड आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू डॉक्टर साहब 1 मिनट. आई डोंट नो कौन से डॉक्टर हैं आप, बट जो भी है सर, आप लैंग्वेज दुरुस्त करें. आप हिंदी में बोले तो अच्छा होगा.
You have not any right to ask me which kind of I'm doctor. I'm
कोई बात नहीं सर. I have all the rights, sir. We have all the rights. I don't have to, you know, take your permission or certificate. आप हिंदी में अपनी बात बोलें और लाइट जला लें. अगर वहां जहां पे आप कौन से शहर से अभी लाइव आ रहे हैं हमारे पास? कराची, इस्लामाबाद, रावलपिंडी, कहां से हैं आप?
It is our problem. What is
that I know.
Here?
We will fix that problem, sir. We will fix that problem. We will brighten the night sky. It's just a matter of time. We will fix it, sir. We will give you so much brightness that you will be blinded by it. But आप हिंदी में बोले.
जेंटलमैन, मैं आपको हिंदी में ये सिंपल हिंदी अल्फाज में बता रहा हूं कि अगर हिंदुस्तान ने पानी दरियाओं में बंद करने की गलती की तो दरियाओं में हिंदुस्तान के लोगों का खून आएगा। ये मैं थ्रेट कर रहा हूं आपको।
अच्छा, खून आएगा, कहां से आएगा खून? किसको? मुजाहिदीन भेज देंगे आप?
ये हिंदुस्तानी लोगों का आएगा। ये
कहां से आएगा?
don't-
कौन आएगा? देखिए, कसाब आया था तो आप तो बना, किसको भेजेंगे आप? खून बहाने के लिए भेजेंगे किसको? इस बार आपने 5-6 भेजे, आप अगली बार किसको भेजेंगे?
हमारी आर्मी नहीं है जिससे आप डरते हैं?
आर्मी?
क्यों आप बच्चों को नहीं डराते हैं?
पाकिस्तान में आर्मी भी है, मुजाहिद है वहां पे। आर्मी कहां है पाकिस्तान में? मुजाहिद आर्मी का यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं। जनरल मुनीर वो जनरल उन्होंने खुद ही लगा लिया है, जैसे जनरल परवेज मुशर्रफ ने लगा लिया था जब मैं प्रेसिडेंट हो गया। सर, ये तो हाल है आपका। मैं आपको बोल रहा हूं, देखिए, आप किसी को भी पूछिए, लाइट बार बार जा रही है। कमार चीमा के यहाँ शायद उन्होंने इन्वर्टर लिया होगा, वो चाइनीज इन्वर्टर होगा, कि वहां बिजली तो बनी हुई है, वो मुस्कुरा भी रहे हैं। लेकिन मैं आपको उससे पहले, मैं कमार चीमा पे आऊंगा, वो भी पूरी तैयारी करके आए होंगे। मैं एक बार जनरल सूरी के पास वापस चलता हूं।